So in order to manage your About section, you're going to want to go to your Action Center tool list and select About. So you'll see on this page, you'll have the opportunity to write a description that will appear on the summary in the organization directory. And you also have the opportunity to write a fuller description just below the summary that will appear when a student clicks your page. You can add a profile picture just by hitting Browse and selecting an image that reflects your organization. Scrolling down a little bit further, we have an area you can add contact information about your organization. So address, phone, email, anything you think a student would need to know about your organization in terms of contact. There's also a spot to add external websites. So add your organization website page. And of course, there's a social media section. So adding any of your social media URLs here so students can access them right from your ExperienceBU page. You will need to hit update at the bottom of the page for all of these changes to be reflected. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email us at experiencebu@brocu.ca.